Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Haba Jubab ye gijingin tho jong kaseng All India Trinamool Congress persya ya Sorkar Menteri Sorkar James PK Sangma uloong bakum kate gijingin tho kajumi habalanjan ke election Henry uloong bak Jubab ka basay kade ni Paidbah om na kiwe ni arngut ke election kade Jubab jong ki Paidbah laki hun ne kim hun ya rukom trekam jong kani ka Sorkar ka bamenta halor gijingin no bamsap jong ka TMC James uloong bagi brio ki basong hagi yeng yet kim day ban kong mau ya yeng jong ki we pat namar ba ki day maki ki basinchar brosh kata bat ki don bun ki jingken no persya ya ka bagi haban Jubab om ban kenno ya ki we halor ki jingkop ya tai unong yalam ke TMC James ulaong balada baro ki menteri Sorkar ki basong hasket triat kin hab ban le ya tai nia bat ki brio syai ki ni opor ban trekam ula benrap yang da ka boong badai ki Paidbah ki ban Jubab haka election lagi piang ne em ya ka seng TMC haka ne gejela.
Such kind of narrative or rhetoric will come about where people will start talking about how people are not happy. But one or two people mentioning that does not reflect the mood of the people. I think the best way to gauge the mood of the people is elections wherein they will cast their vote and they will finally give their views and their whether they have accepted or whether they have appreciated the performance of the government or not. That is when the elections are held and the results are declared. It will speak for itself. Well, I think that those people who live in glass houses shouldn't throw stones at other people's houses. The opposition, when you talk about, are also people who have been in the ruling government. There have been many accusations which have been hurled against them, and they are also answerable for all those accusations. But just to throw stones and just to point fingers at others, I think, and that too with unsubstantiated facts, is I think unsubstantiated data is I think very wrong. I think Honorable CM has been very clear that if all the ministers in the government were to start engaging in public debates, who would come to the secretariat and who would do their work? So I think that we appreciate the concerns of Mr. Gokhale. I mean, he's very free to express his views. But then I think, challenging the Honorable Chief Minister or the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister to a debate, I think that's something that's not required because the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister, they have been very accessible to the press. They have taken questions from all of you. The press is the fourth estate, and all of you are the voice, of the people who would like to ask questions on behalf of the people of the state, and they have been answering those questions. I think that should suffice. Judge, I think people will eventually cast their vote and will eventually, whether they accept the DITC or they don't, we will have to see that after the elections in 2023. But as of now, I would just like to say that without having fought a single elections and by having just hijacked some of the MLAs and brought them into their fold, I don't think that gives them the right to say that they are the voice of the people and they represent the voice of the people. It is elections which actually give the mandate to people. Elections haven't been declared as of now, but as and when elections are declared by the Election Commission of India, we will be starting to declare. Well, few of them, our party leaders have already declared some of the candidates, but the majority of them will be done only after elections are declared. Well, I think our State President Dr. Kalluki has already made a mention that there are a sizable number of MLAs who will be joining the NPP very soon. I think that's a question we need to wait for till the elections are declared. But these are things that I am not at liberty to answer, because I'm also one of those who are seeking sitting MLA who's seeking a party ticket myself. So I think that that question would be best posed to our state president and our national president.